では禅王様、開始いたします。よろしいですね。
Prepare yourself, 𝗕𝗫𝘁𝗂.
First and foremost, I want to thank 𝗨𝗶𝘁𝗂 for continually supporting the channel, allowing me to cover his fan animations and to support him in this way. You guys know where to go to watch the original animation and to get original animations just like this from 𝗨𝗶𝘁𝗂. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description below in the top comment. Go ahead and check it out, guys. Let's jump into this new Dragon Ball fan animation. This one is honestly one of the coolest concepts, but it feels kind of strange when you're watching it. It is a really awesome concept that has been done so many times before by so many other content creators and other people, but I gotta tell you guys, it has never been done like this. I'm done hyping it because, you know, I've already passed that 1 minute mark. Let's go ahead and jump right into this animation and you guys can see kind of what I'm talking about.
次やらせて。楽しみだね。とっても楽しみ。
So this looks like it's going to be a series on 𝗨𝗁𝗁𝗁's channel where he takes warriors from across the Dragon Ball multiverse and he fuses them together. This is a brand new series for him, and like I said, it is different than what's been done before, mainly due to the animation style by Darkness Arts, who is a great content creator. You guys have seen him on the channel before as well. He animated this whole bit in his own signature style for 𝗨𝗁𝗁 as a commission, and they've worked together to make a really dope looking animation. And the advanced nature of the animation, the reason that it looks so good, is why it is a little bit off-putting when we get to the next part here. So the Omni King in this series, against these warriors' wills, is basically fusing them together. They don't get a say in it, they have to do it. They even, like, Goku looks kind of confused as to what is happening, even though he's the one wearing the rings. What we get here is a very, very solid fan animation that shows possible fusions at the Omni King's whim, almost like he's playing a video game with these beings. This is going to be the birth of Divine Goku, and we get Ultra Instinct Goku essentially, but we also get Xeno Goku, which is the Goku that we get in Dragon Ball Heroes, basically the two strongest out of the Super timeline and the Heroes timeline, fusing together to create one of the strongest warriors that this universe had ever seen. It is really neat that this is the second time in a few weeks that I've actually had the pleasure of making a video reviewing and reacting to a fan animation that has like a divine and very extremely powerful version of Goku, a Goku that we wouldn't see in a Dragon Ball Super, but one that we see in a lot of Dragon Ball fan mangas. And honestly, the Gogeta swirls that we get here, that we got in Dragon Ball Super Broly, I need that in every single fusion type. That's probably one of the coolest ways to get two characters to fuse, and I am so glad that Dragon Ball Super Broly added that as flavor into the fusion aesthetic. Now, the biggest thing that I can see that really stands out from this Goku, the Divine Goku, over any other version of Goku like this, where it's a Goku that is extremely powerful, is a fusion of other characters, or is just a super Saiyan 5 Divine Goku, or an Ultra Instinct user that is Super Saiyan 5. The difference between this one is that he's got a halo, but the halo is ginormous. This thing is huge. It is so big because it has to be that big, because in this level he's got so much hair. But honestly, for me, I love giant halos on certain characters. I mean, I loved it when Zamasu had that giant one on his back, and I thought that was a really cool design. Honestly, that's my favorite design for Zamasu, so I think that this one really hits the nail on the head. I can't wait to see what the next characters you're going to be fusing are, and I'm excited to be able to review that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this new Dragon Ball fan animation. This is going to be BlackScape signing off. Take care, guys.
Subscribe for more content.